Agent Squawks, come in, Agent Squawks, this is base. You're needed for a mission.
Agent Squawks, loud and clear.
Agent Squawks, your mission is to infiltrate the technology of the enemy by planting an explosive in their computer. Start by taking the lift.
I'm on the lift. Yeah, this has got to be the worst smelling lift I've ever been on. Alright, I'm in the base. I'm making my way up to the computer now.
Agent Squawks, the large speaker in front of you is their security system. Disable it with your beak.
10-4 disabled. Alright, on my way to the top.
Agent Squawks, be careful. Make sure you're not being followed.
No bogeys down below. Nothing to the sides either.
Excellent job, Agent Squawks. You're almost at the computer. Continue climbing.
Got it. Alright. I'm at the top. The coast looks clear. The computer's in view. Planting explosive now. The explosive's planted. I'm flying the coop.
Excellent, Agent Squawks. Get out of there before it explodes. Quick, take the lift on the ground in front of you.
I see it. Hello there. Going up, please.
Going forward.
No, not forward. Up. Up.
Command understood. Going up.
That's more like it.
Alright, Agent Squawks, you should be meeting your rendezvous agent at the top once you get off the lift.
I don't see him. Wait a minute, there he is. Hello. Wait a minute. Who's that handsome devil?
Excellent mission, Agent Squawks, though I regret to inform you that the bird you're staring at in the mirror is actually your replacement.
What? This job's for the birds.